Okay, so let's go forward. Yeah, this meeting has been put in recording as per the request of our members who are uh, failing to join this meet. So, so once again, I extend my warm welcome to all the members of LTT and to all those who are non-members of LTT as well. So today we are having this fourth virtual connect with in respect to various aspects. So let's jump into it and take the session forward. I hope my voice is loud and clear. Someone can just reply to me whether am I audible or not, or is there any disturbance?
Yes, you are audible, Venkatesh.
Okay, okay. Thank you,
No
thank you.
disturbance.
So today we are going to discuss these topics, cover order and a review of today's radar and strategy for tomorrow market and other areas relating to news and possibly Bollinger Band and RSI combined analysis for strong buying or selling strategies on an intraday basis. So let's first take up the cover order. As I have already mentioned in the group, as of now, I am holding gold petal. So I will just take you to the Giroda. Like gold will be trading till 11:30, and MIS orders has to be squared off by 11:05. I hope 11:05 or 11:10. I doesn't remember exactly. So now it is still in live. So we can just go and just have a brief view how to lock your profits in case of intraday trades, whether it may be equity options or say futures. So here you can see these are my positions as of now. One gold September futures, gold petal September futures. One I am holding with five quantity is the normal trade, means I am holding it for the long term. So here another thing we have CO, which is the cover order. Today I just kept this order for this session. As of now it is at no profit no loss. Just it went to some 21 rupees profit and some 10 rupees loss as well. But I am just holding this just to show you all in this session in live how to what does exactly cover order means. So let me just go to the orders once, and if you see here open orders, we have three orders, right? The last one is which is already executed and is pending for exit. The first two orders are the means these first two belong to one single order. So in a cover order we have two legs, one is buy leg and another is sell leg. Now I am in a view to just buy gold petal on intraday basis. So because of various reasons, like the chart is favorable, it has reached the low, so I did buy and I am waiting for exit. So if you see executed orders already, this last one in the open order and the first one in the gold petal in the executed order are relating to one order which is already in the positions trading in live as of now. So one is buy and one, so whenever a order is executed, buy will go into the execute orders. Like I bought two quantity on intraday basis at 5236. So now if I want to exit this, and or else if I want to lock profits, what should I do? We have in that case, whether for exit and to lock your profits for your intraday positions in options, futures or equity, you have to go to this sell order. If you have taken long, you have to go to buy order if you have taken short. As of now in positions we have long cover order. At present, like I bought at 5236, it is at 5236 only now. So let's I will just show you. Mm, so this is the one which we will use for exit and uh, to lock our profits. So after clicking, we have these options. In this we have to select modify. So here in modify, if you see, we have stop loss trigger. I play at the time of placing the order, I kept the stop loss at 5189. It is trading at present at 5232. I bought at 5236. If say for example it came into profit say like 5240, let's say I bought at 5236, and presently let us assume it is trading at 52340, then I want to book the profit of, or else I want to lock the profit of 4 rupees, then I will go here, I will just give 52340, then modify. But now it will not modify since we are giving a stop loss higher than the current market price. Let it come into profit and then I will show like how we can exit in this session itself. Let's wait for some more time and take this at later point of time how to lock profit. As of now it is in like say 6 rupees loss. So when it comes to some 6 rupees or 10 rupees profit, I will just go and show you how to lock the profits. And few things that to be remembered at the time of locking of profits is we have to go and look into the market depth. Here in market depth, if we are placing, see here, we have buyers at 5233 and sellers at 5235. Now we are already having a buy position, we will be a seller for exit, for our exit or for our locking of profits. So if we place a order at say 5234, there is no buyer at present at the time. So for safety, well, for safety measure kind of thing, it will go and get the order executed at the recent the best available price to avoid losses for you. So you have to be careful with the this market, that whether at your price there are buyers or not, you have to check that in advance before just modifying that. Mm, so this should come into profit, then I can exactly show you how like we can lock.
Venkat,
Yes,
Venkat,
yes.
this is Sai. Can you just show like how to buy through a cover order?
Okay,
Don't buy, just
okay,
simply
okay,
show that option, like what
okay,
we
okay.
have to put price and all.
Um, So if you see in my watch list 3, here we are having gold September futures. So I want to buy a cover order. So I am clicking on buy. Okay. So cover order will be highlighted like, wait, let me dehighlight. So if you are selecting normal, no, and then if you go click cover order also, like it will automatically get changed into MIS. That means cover order is not available for long positions, whether it is options, futures or anything else. So in case of normal, if you even see a cover order, by the time you click on this cover order, your order will get changed into MIS. You can see this right now. So I am placing one quantity, let's say at 5210 I want to buy. So I am, so this is not the market price, so I will click limit 5210, and the stop loss say I am giving 5175. So at the time of placing cover order, we have to give our price, or we can select market price, and we also have to give stop loss trigger price, and then we have to select current order, and then we can click buy. So now if you go to your orders, you can see new two legs has been we can see the two new legs of the order that we have just place it to the server, zero the server. Here you can see the time, and then one is buy order and one is sell order. uh, Once the order is executed, this buy leg will go into executed orders. Before it is executed, you can even change the price where you can buy. So in buy leg, only price will be highlighted and stop loss will be dehighlighted. For changing the stop loss, you have to go to the sell leg. For changing the buy price, means your entry, for changing your entry, you can use this buy modify on buy leg option. And if you go to sell, and if you modify this, here it will allow you to change this stop loss. So once once the order is executed and once you are in profits, you can lock profits by changing the stop loss in cover order sell leg. So while changing that, we have to be uh, cautious, like whether there are buyers at that price or not, since we are a seller when we book profits or exit in case of a long position. So at present this is at losses. So let's wait for 5 minutes like that, and we will come back to this. And since this is in brief about the cover order, I hope everyone has understood. If anyone have any doubts, just take 1 minute to ask, or you can just type in the chat as well, and we will move forward. So if still anyone is having any kind of doubts, like how to place cover order, so I am just canceling. Like you, if you cancel one of the leg, it will get both the legs. The complete order will get cancelled. See, two legs has been cancelled. So again,
Hi Venkatesh, Sandeep
I
this
yes,
side.
yes. Tell me, Sandeep.
Venkatesh, one doubt here. So
Okay.
when we are buying through cover order, right, there
Yes.
is a buy leg and sell leg which is coming, right?
Yes.
I have a doubt here. Why, if suppose we are putting the stop loss, then why is the sell leg which is appearing there?
Yeah, that sell leg is indicating that you will incur losses up to there only. Means you, if the trade is not in your favor, you will exit at that price. Sell, you will sell your present buy position at that price. That is what the sell leg is indicating you.
Correct, but normally without the cover order, if normally when we purchase any share or
Mm, mm,
something, there we
mm,
have a stop loss option. So
mm,
when we keep a stop loss option, it's a
mm.
one transaction where we put both the limit at what I need to buy and what
Yes,
is my stop loss. In the one transaction, it get completed. Then what
yes.
is the use of cover order
Like
actually?
actually in bracket order, I think you are speaking about bracket order. Uh, Let me check. Bracket order is has been disabled. Stop loss has also been like these days. Bracket order has been disabled due to volatility, and this what we say cover order is only helping to lock the profits. Like in case of you say, suppose we have one long position in my positions. No, you can see this 5 quantity trade, right? So if I go
Okay.
here and I want to exit, so here if I keep stop loss, like I can't lock the profits here. See, suppose at present it is at 5234. If I give 5238, it won't accept. It will say that your stop loss price is more than the current market price. Here you can only play a safe game of cutting your losses. But what happens in cover order, what is the advantage in cover order is you can even lock your profits. Means you can move your stop loss greater than current market price once your position enters into profit zone. But that feature or that kind of advantage is not present in stop loss feature. If you give this 5238 and if you click sell, it will say that error, that your stop loss trigger price is greater than current market price. It won't get executed. So this will be helpful only to avoid losses, but cover order will be helpful to both to avoid losses as well as to lock profits. Like in cover order you can revise the stop loss greater than current market price. That is what is the difference.
Okay.
So
But the
Venkatesh,
only
you
thing we
mean
have
the
to make sure,
trading stop loss, right?
Sorry, just one can speak at a time, like both of the one.
yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, Sairam here. So Venkatesh, you mean the trailing stop loss, right? In cover order. That's what you mean to say, right?
No, trailing stop loss is the concept where it will adjust automatically according to the current market price. If you say at 500 you bought a intraday trade 500 rupees, it went to 510 rupees. You gave a trailing stop loss of 1% or something kind of thing. Like when the price moves to 510, it will calculate 510 minus 1 percentage, and it will keep the stop loss as some 505 or something, and it will freeze over there. When again if it goes to 520, again it will move the stop loss towards there. Like it will do automatically. Like we can't do that once we give the percentage. And the other advantage is like it will freeze over there. Like after hitting 510, if it comes to 505, again that trailing stop loss won't get revised. It can only move upside slowly, but it can't move backwards. So whenever in a volatile market, if you say you are having a target of 520, you bought at 500, it went to 510, it came back to 503 and then started going to 520. By that time your trailing stop loss will exit your position at 505. But in cover order, like whatever we say, that the server will listen. In trailing stop loss, whatever the percentage we give, that will take care.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Just one more question.
Okay.
Can you just show where to keep the percentage of the trailing stop loss?
Even I
I
have it.
never.
Even I have it.
Okay, fine, no
But
problem.
okay, let me see. But I also like for that. we have to see some stocks. I think let me try, but if not, we can take up that in other session.
Yeah, you can read for 30 seconds or else we'll leave it. That's okay.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
not important.
yes. Okay, we will like just one more session. We will take a live example of that, and we will try to do over there.
Sure, sure.
Sure. Okay. So this is still in losses. Like let's wait for a few more minutes since we have time till 11:30 for that. But let's come back at 9:30 and see what is the position of this. If it is in profit, I will just even in if it is in 2 or 4 rupees profit also, I will show how to lock profit if possible. Okay, let's get back to that. So after that, we have a review of 1st September 2020 radar review. We will go for that. I hope someone has raised the voice. They can go ahead.
Venkat, one quick confirmation. So
Okay.
normally now you placed one gold petal order, right?
Yes.
So when you did that cover order, so you put up the buy price as 5210.
Yes.
Then you kept the stop loss trigger price as 5175.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's say price of the gold petal is 5000. Okay, but you do not want to book a sale, and in the sell leg, so just to book profits, if you keep 5200 as a stop loss trigger price, so ideally it was already updated as 5175, but you will keep it as 5200 just to
Okay.
lock it. Only thing that we have to make sure is there is no buyer available at 5200. Am I right so far?
No. So like see already we have the last sell leg is regarding to the already the order which is trading in live. Okay, right? So here if you go and see, click on modify, I kept stop loss of 5189 for the position which is already trading in live. So if I want to revise this to 5200, no problem. You there is no need to check whether there is buyer or seller, because 5200 is still away from the current market price. If I give modify, right? So order modification request has been sent. So now this has been come to the top as we have updated it. So now let's click on modify again. See, now my stop loss is only 5200 instead of 5189. But when I am saying to check for buyers and seller is when you are going to log the profit or when you are going to exit the profits. Now what modification we have done is just we reduced our stop loss, but we haven't locked the profits or we haven't planned to exit. We just made a modification. While making modification to reduce your stop loss, there is no need at all to check buyers or sellers. You have to check buyers or sellers availability only at the time of locking your profits. When it means like if I now go and say 5234, then I have to check whether there is a buyer or seller or not, is there or not. Otherwise my order won't get exit, and it will get exit at lesser price even than that to save us from losses. That is what cover order will work for us. So that is what I'm saying. You will get clarity once I show you how the profit booking will happen if this goes into profit. Now let's wait for so without any
Okay.
delay, let's go back to our radar today, the radar review. So today also we have a blast on our radar. Amar Raja Granules India has done completely too good, and also I will just share my reason why I have choose Damar Raja and granules for in the yellow zone, the most important zone. And also I will share why we have missed this HUL trade, because we had made a mistake in planning our entry, that we planned it. We will say no, అతి జాగ్రత్త or బాగా సేఫ్టీ మెజర్స్ తీసుకున్నట్టు కొంచెం ఎంట్రీని బాగా లోలో ప్లాన్ చేస్తాము, దానివల్ల అది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాల. సో ఓకే, అండ్ ఏసీసీ జీ ఆల్సో Havels. Okay, so let's just and also in yesterday's session we discussed banking nifty is going to form the doji kind of candle, and that exactly happened today. If you see this, like, let me change this to 1 day. Having few messages in the chat. So a combination of limit and stop loss orders. No bro. Okay, so if you see, you can see a dodgy kind of thing after the red candle, that what was exactly we were planning our strategy for this day in the yesterday's session. So this worked out, and let me quickly take you to Amar Raja and as well as the Granules India, the strategy behind them placing in yellow zone in the buy sessions. So where is this Amar Raja in the second watch list? So here we have Amar Raja. So even in a bloodshotted market like yesterday's, where there was completely bears control, you can see what kind of a candle it has formed. Like it has almost gone to the green line, and after even going to 716 and 711 rupees, it started and bounced back almost 10 to 12 rupees. Like it closed at 727 yesterday. After that good comeback in yesterday's market really means that Amar Raja is going to be bullish tomorrow. So that I have chosen this stock for complete buy side, and that worked out in our radar. So like when I am doing analysis for today's Tuesday's radar, I have yesterday I have gone through all the stocks. Most of the stocks are having complete red candles only. So in that kind of situation, like every like 90% of the stocks which we have in watch list will indicate you only sell, 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 sell. Will give only, see if you see Pidilite, it is having complete red candle. It will give you a signal of sell. Like 90% of the stocks will give sell signal only. We can't take all those 90 stocks and put in our radar. So in that similar kind of situation, we have to think different and select stocks which are different from this kind of red candles which are common on a complete bearish day. So every stock will make this candle only when there is a bearish day, but we have to go and select the stocks which have made a different comeback or pushback bullish kind of pattern on a bearish day. So one of the so that is one of the reason for selecting Amar Raja, and that as well for Granules India. Let's just go to this free meeting will end in the meeting host needs to upgrade to if say like this meeting is going to end in 10 minutes, I will just restart the meet. You can all just join back once again if possible. um, okay. So you see here Granules India yesterday in a complete red market, it just went completely out of the Bollinger Band range, and from there almost like it went into 200 zones. Like if you see the low, 282 is the low. Even after going such low, it has almost came back and even ended in green. So these are the stocks which we have to catch them. Like these are the special stocks yesterday which are different from all other stocks which are having just a red candle which is common on a complete bearish day. So if you see this, it's a complete like a hammer kind of thing, and also a good comeback. It just bounced back completely into the Bollinger Band, and also it formed a green body. Like it ended in plus numbers yesterday. So this is one of the reason for choosing Granules India. And so apart from that, what like why HUL do we miss is the last reason that we are going to analyze for yesterday's review. So let me just go back to HUL. Here it is. So if you see this red candle has came out of the Bollinger Band range, and it had just made some up move at the end, so there was a lower shadow. So what I thought was like there will be one more red candle out of the Bollinger Band today, and then it will start moving into the range. So that is why I have given entry at 2095 rupees. So today's low was only 2111 rupees. That is why we have missed it. Like even I thought like planning entry at 2110 rupees, but I felt it would be risky, like because Hind Unilever it has been bearish from completely so many days. You can see almost from July 21st till complete of August is complete sidewards, and you can see many red candles than green candles. So I, to just play safe, I just overreacted and had planned entry really too below, which is not possible for that stock to come there on this day. So that was one of the mistake that I did in the radar today. So we missed that HUL. Otherwise, we can see some handsome green numbers here as well. So we missed that. G and Havels are they are already bearish, so I just kept them in the selfless. I think no much analysis or reasoning is needed. If anyone want, we can do that as well. So let's go and check back what is our gold petal doing. Is into profits. Okay, is it now it is at
Can you ask one
cost,
question?
and if it comes into profit, no, then we will just, yeah, you can go ahead.
Normally, when you give radar for all these intraday trades, right?
Yes.
So can we go to buy options also? I mean, when there is a sell position, can we take short positions? And when there is a buy, can we take options as well? This will
Like
work for options also.
for options, I don't prefer you to base on our radar, because options is entirely different kind of thing. Like it has time decay. So for suppose, let's say I gave a radar on September 21st or 25th. On the day I say buy, you go and buy that also. If that strike price has become OTM, then like out of the market, it won't have any value if its underlying asset is also increasing. I can say you can do future trades based on our radar, that will work. But for options, I won't suggest to follow this radar for your option trades. Like options, you have to completely do a different kind of analysis for choosing your strike price, whether you want to for say lines, if we have, whether you want to choose 2400, 2300, it completely, it's a different kind of world in derivatives in with respect to options. But for futures, definitely you can take the radar help. I can assure you that to that extent.
Normally, when you give a buy recommendation, you give a
Hmm.
trigger price, right, at which we have to buy. Okay,
Yeah.
and you give certain target also, probably 5 rupees above. So
Yes.
if you take once it gets hit, I mean, whenever we have to buy at that point of time, right? So at that time, if we buy option and when it moves above 5 rupees, right, obviously we'll be in profits, right? I mean, we can book then and there only.
Yes, yes, I am saying that only. Like it will work, but when it comes to end of the month, no, like say suppose from September 15 to September 38, if you take all the radars that will be coming in those days, and if you base on the buys and sells, and if you trade options, no, it will like it will be a 50-50 chance. If it is a OTM strike price you are choosing and basing on the radar, then that won't work.
Okay,
That is like time
sure.
decay
Yeah, I
will
got
not
it.
get matched with the radar that we are giving. I hope this meeting is going to end in 4 more minutes. If that happens, I will just
And
give you
Venkatesh, one
link, or like you can again. I will just restart this meet. You can again all join. I am just saying in advance if this ends. Okay. Someone is speaking.
yeah, and one more thing is in that options, even though the price increases, sometimes the option premium doesn't increase due to correlation or
Yes,
due to decay
that is
at the
that is
same
what.
point of time.
Yes, that is what
Yeah.
it is like. It has, we call those as out of the market options at the end, especially when
Yeah.
the days are nearing to like the expiry. For in this session, let's restrict to the other things like options. We will take care in some other sessions. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, Venkat. This is Kabarish.
Okay.
So I just have a doubt regarding this radar. Okay. So
Okay.
while creating radar, you are looking at different stocks and these candles, right?
Yes. So like I
So
am
I mean,
maintaining this sheet. Like these are the stocks in
okay,
the my list. I have I even shared the list of the stocks on Sunday. Yes. Go ahead with
oh,
your
okay,
doubt.
okay. So daily you will track all this,
Yes.
like
Yes.
how many
Like say
shares will be
65, 65 stocks. If you see for Wednesday, I have already done my analysis just before this meet, this column and this column I have just done, and I have already highlighted few stocks for tomorrow, and I kept
okay,
them in yellow. Now I will just take these stocks and will put in the radar. If possible in this meet, I will take two stocks which are most probable for tomorrow's trade, and I will explain the reason, and I will tell how I am going to choose entry, target, and stop loss for any of the two stocks which I have already highlighted in yellow for tomorrow.
okay, okay. So why you selected only these like 60 stocks? Like these are mostly traded, like
Like
have more
like from
market depth, or how
like
it?
from January, I am building this list. Like this list is not stable for every time. For every month, I will delete certain stocks in this. But these are the stocks which are more having more fluctuation on a daily basis. So when there is that much of fluctuation, we can
Hmm.
definitely use them as a good advantage for intraday. For suppose you take ITC, that won't work for intraday at all. Like it sleeps almost
Yeah.
a week and suddenly it gets up and it will run away. So such kind
Okay.
of, even if you see here, I am leaving blank for Mother Sumi and NCC. So even I am going to just take them out and put in the long-term equity list. Like these two won't work for intraday. Even IRCTC won't work for intraday. I am going to remove these 2 or 3 more days in coming days.
Okay.
I will
Okay.
do that. So like
And
this list gets
like
updated every month. Yeah.
Okay. So I just had one suggestion. In addition to these stocks, can we just focus on this Nifty and Bank Nifty also?
Like
Uh,
yes, yes, for
because there
that
is high fluctuations.
yes, yes,
Like every
but
day I could see 100 to
yes, yes,
300.
for that
So which acts
we
as
have to
also.
be really a damn good expert of having some 3 or 4 years to give a call. Like it's
Oh,
not
okay.
too easy. Like if we jump no like మన తెలుగులో ఒక సామెత ఉంటది, అయితే ఆడపెళ్లి లేదా మన పెళ్లి అన్నట్టు వాచిపోద్ది అనమాట బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీలో.
Okay.
ఇంకేం ఉండదు అసలు. ఒక్క లాట్ తీసుకున్నా కానీ నేను సపోజ్ ఒక మండే లాంటి రోజున మనం బై తీసుకుని బయలుదేరామంటే ఇంకా ఆ మంత్ అంతా ఇంకా ట్రేడింగ్ ఏ మానేస్తాం అన్న రేంజ్కి తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతాయి ఎస్పెషల్లీ బ్యాంక్
Okay.
నిఫ్టీ.
Because
నిఫ్టీ కొద్దిగా
yeah,
పర్లేదు.
because they have high fluctuations, right? Like
యెస్.
volatility and
యెస్. దాన్ని
so
అంత
and
వాలటాలిటీని మనం ట్రాక్ చేయాలంటే డెఫినిట్‌గా కంప్లీట్‌గా మనకి ఇంకా ఏ అదర్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఉండకుండా మనం మార్నింగ్ టు ఈవినింగ్ మార్కెట్ మీద కూర్చొని అలాంటి వాటిని ట్రాక్ చేస్తే ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్. బట్ మనకిప్పుడు వర్క్
okay,
అవ్వదది.
okay.
సో దట్ ఈస్ వై వి
Okay,
ఆర్
can I
నాట్ గివింగ్
కొంచెం
ది దట్ కాల్.
to some extent we can
Yes,
assess,
yes.
right? Like
Like
by
if you see a definite kind
US
of
market.
hammer, yes, yes, exactly. If we
Yeah.
see follow the global markets, or if we see a hammer at the green line of the Bollinger Band on Bank Nifty, you can just risk and take trades on that. That will work for sure. అది చెయ్యకూడదనేం
Okay.
కాదు, బట్ మనం ఇట్లా స్టాండర్డైజ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు అట్లాంటి వాటిల్లోకి దూరితే ఉన్నవి కూడా పాడైపోతాయి అన్న అయితే తప్ప అందుకే టచ్ చేయట్లేదు అది. లైక్
Okay.
ఏముంది,
Yeah.
సడన్ గా లాస్
Okay.
వచ్చిందంటే దీని యాక్యురసీ అంతా కోల్పోతాం.
Okay. Okay.
సో దిస్ విల్